Selling at public auction is over 27 acres of rolling meadows surrounded by woods and abundant wildlife. This secluded retreat offers free gas, a spacious 3-bedroom, 1,700 square foot Barndominium-style home with stunning woodwork and a 32 by 23 garage. Just minutes from beautiful Tykert Lake and next to over 3,000 acres of public hunting land, this property is a rare opportunity. Now's your chance at a rural homestead or private getaway with space for animals, a garden, and crops. Don't miss out on this West Virginia beauty with incredible recreational opportunities. Visit Kaufman-auctions.com today for all the details.